The Meural app allows you to link your photo albums on your phone to your frame so they display automatically and update any changes you make to the album when adding or removing images. Bring your favorite photo albums or forgotten memories on your phone's storage and showcase them on a big and beautiful display. Follow these quick steps to link a photo album on your phone to your Meural. These steps work for any Meural model. Make sure your Meural has already been set up before you begin. Open the Meural app. Tap the Upload icon at the bottom of the screen. The Your Photos screen will display. Tap the Link Album button at the bottom of the screen. A list of your phone's existing photo albums will display. Tap the Link button to the right of the photo album you want to link. Tap Yes to confirm. A progress bar will display on the Meural app. You can see how many images in your album have been uploaded to the Meural app. Depending on how many images you linked, wait until all the images in your album have successfully uploaded in the Meural app. Once the upload is complete, you can either tap the canvas icon at the bottom right of the album you just linked to send the album to your Meural. Or you can also tap and open the album you just linked, then tap Send at the bottom of the screen. If you have more than one Meural on your account, then a list of your frames will appear. Select which Meural you'd like to send your linked photo album to and tap Play. Your album is now linked and will automatically sync any changes to the photo album on your Meural frame. Let's quickly show you how easy it is to add and remove photos from your album to update on your Meural. To add images to a linked album, open your photo app on your Android or iOS device and add the images to the album you previously linked in the Meural app. Within a few minutes of adding your images to the album, they will automatically update on your Meural display. To remove images from a linked album on your Meural, simply reopen the photo app on your phone and remove the images from the linked album. After 1 to 2 minutes, the images will be removed from your Meural and your linked album in the Meural app. Great! Now you can let your Meural do the work while you relax and enjoy your picture-perfect photos. Please note that unlike playlists, albums cannot be shared with other people. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the NETGEAR channel for more tips and tricks for your Meural.